Fraser Valley, Colorado, a mountain oasis lying just below the Winter Park Ski Resort, in a valley protected by the beautiful Continental Divide. My name is Brent Ham. This mountain town has been a huge part of my life. It's where my dog and I love to be outside. I grew up learning to fish in the Fraser River. I've been skiing at Mary Jane and Winter Park since I was a toddler. My family, friends, and I have had wonderful nights out downtown in the bars and restaurants that I will always remember. That's why this is the perfect location to pioneer Colorado virtual showing. For our first virtual tour, we are showing the Elk Court Cabins. If your dream is to own a house in the beautiful Rocky Mountains near one of the best ski resorts in the world, then we want to help achieve that dream of yours. Let's go see the place and meet my brother, Brent Ham. He will be your friendly broker.
Hey, I'm Brent Ham. Welcome to the Elk Court Cabins. Thanks for joining me today. Let's go take a look. Welcome to Unit 5. Why don't you park in the garage? Let's go take a look. Hey, what'd you think? Sorry, I was just out here enjoying the view. Well, why don't you take a seat? Let's go into the details.
Unit 5 of the Elk Court Cabins is a total of 3,200 square feet, with a beautiful backdrop of evergreen trees surrounding the property. Elk Court Cabins has 7 units total, with a great homeowners association taking care of the property. Airbnb rentals are permitted, making this a great investment opportunity, as during the ski season there is a hot rental market. A full kitchen with new appliances, nice countertops, stocked cabinets, a dining room set for your mountain cook-offs. You have to have a cozy living room so you can warm up next to the fire. And when it's time to end the night, there are 5 fully furnished bedrooms, 3 of which have a king-size bed. The master bedroom on the main floor has a TV, nice closet, and bathroom. There are 3 bunk beds, 2 regular size and 1 twin. In this house there are 4 fully remodeled, fully functioning bathrooms. And lastly, the back patio has a steamy hot tub looking into a secluded forest with no fences to the endless, beautiful backyard that the Rocky Mountains provide.
Well, thanks for taking the time. If you're in the market to buy a house in Winter Park, this is the spot for you. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
Thanks, Brent. Well, that wraps up our first Colorado virtual showing. Check out more on this property at Zillow.com. Well, why don't we throw the skis in the car and take a quick ride down to the slopes?